This camera changes everything for creators. It packs full sensor 7K video into a body that costs under $3,000. You get gorgeous colors, massive dynamic range, and highly reliable autofocus. It also features internal RAW recording. This setup makes it an incredible hybrid tool for both photography and video production. This deep dive will analyze every major feature of this camera. We will cover the body design, the advanced video capabilities, and the hidden limitations you need to know about. Here is the structured script outline for this breakdown. Section 1, the design and body architecture. Deep dive into ergonomics, build quality, screen flexibility, weather resistance, port selection, and media card slots. Section 2, high-resolution video performance. Analysis of the 7K full sensor readout, open gate recording advantages, and aspect ratio flexibility. Section 3, color science and codecs. In-depth breakdown of CLOG 2, CLOG 3, dynamic range capabilities, internal raw light recording, and custom LUT implementation. Section 4, frame rates and motion control. Review of uncropped high-speed modes, the slow and fast, SNF tool and slow motion quality. Section 5, photography capabilities. Analysis of megapixels, sensor performance, subject tracking, and the automated pre-capture buffer. Section 2, the design and body architecture. The structural design of a camera determines how useful it is on a long shoot. The body of this camera is built from a high-grade magnesium alloy. This material keeps the device lightweight while ensuring it can withstand heavy daily use. It also features comprehensive weather sealing. This protection keeps dust and moisture out of the internal electronics, allowing you to shoot in difficult outdoor conditions without worry. The grip is deep and ergonomic, making it comfortable to hold for hours at a time. For viewing your frame, the camera offers two main options. It features a highly articulate flip-out touchscreen. This screen can rotate all the way around, which is incredibly useful for solo creators who need to monitor their framing from the front of the lens. The display is bright enough to see clearly under direct sunlight. For traditional shooting, the electronic viewfinder is incredibly sharp. It offers a high refresh rate and a dense resolution, making it easy to judge your exposure and focus manually. The port selection is designed to meet professional standards. On the side of the body, you will find dedicated microphone and headphone jacks for high-quality audio monitoring. It also includes a modern USB port for fast data transfer and in-camera battery charging. Crucially, the camera uses a full-size HDMI port instead of a fragile micro HDMI connection. This choice ensures a stable, reliable video feed when connecting the camera to external monitors or recorders. For media storage, the camera utilizes a dual-slot configuration. The primary slot accepts ultra-fast CF Express Type B cards, which are necessary for handling high bitrate video and continuous photo bursts. The secondary slot takes standard SD cards, which are highly affordable and widely compatible. Having both slots allows you to back up your files instantly or separate your photo and video assets across different cards while shooting. Section 3, high-resolution video performance. The main highlight of this camera is its incredible video resolution. It records video using a full sensor 7K readout. This means the camera captures a massive amount of visual data across the entire surface of the image sensor. The camera then processes this high-resolution data down to produce an incredibly sharp and detailed video file. This extra resolution gives you incredible flexibility when you edit your footage. You can crop into the image, stabilize shaky shots, or reframe a scene without losing fine details. This sensor setup also enables a feature called open gate recording. Traditional video formats only capture a wide horizontal area, leaving the top and bottom of the sensor unused. Open gate recording changes this by capturing the entire square shape of the sensor. This gives you a much taller image to work with in post-production. It provides a massive advantage if you need to deliver content for multiple platforms from a single shoot. With open gate footage, you can easily crop out a standard widescreen video for television or computer monitors. At the same time, you can pull a vertical frame from the exact same video file to create content for mobile platforms. This eliminates the need to turn the camera sideways or shoot a scene twice. You can keep your entire production rig set up horizontally and still capture all the framing variations you need for different media channels. If you do not require a massive 7K file for your project, the camera offers an oversampled 4K mode. This setting takes the 7K data from the sensor and condenses it into a highly optimized 4K video file. The resulting footage looks significantly sharper than standard 4K video because it retains the clarity of the original high-resolution readout. This oversampled mode delivers professional image quality while keeping your file sizes manageable, saving valuable storage space on your hard drives. Section 4. Color Science and Codecs. This camera delivers exceptional image quality thanks to its advanced internal processing options. It features two professional log profile settings, known as CLOG 2 and CLOG 3. These log profiles are designed to maximize the performance of the image sensor. They flatten the contrast of the video image, which prevents bright areas from blowing out and keeps dark areas from losing detail. This flat look gives you the ultimate control when you color grade your footage in post-production. The sensor delivers over 15 stops of dynamic range when using these profiles. This expansive range allows the camera to handle difficult lighting situations with ease. For example, you can film a subject standing in front of a bright window and still see the details outside while keeping the person properly exposed. This prevents your video from looking amateurish or uneven. The camera also inherits excellent color tuning, which renders natural skin tones and accurate vibrant colors right out of the camera. 4 fast turnaround projects. The camera includes built-in lookup table support. This feature allows you to load custom color profiles directly into the camera body. You can apply these color profiles directly to your video file while recording. The most powerful video feature is the ability to record internal raw video files. The camera uses a specialized light compression format to keep raw file sizes under control. This format captures the raw data from the sensor before any processing occurs. When you shoot in this mode, you get an unmatched amount of color depth and image detail. The video file will not break apart or show digital artifacts even when you apply heavy color adjustments or exposure corrections in your editing software. Section 5. Frame rates and motion control. Capturing smooth motion is highly important for modern video production. This camera offers impressive frame rate options that do not compromise your image quality. It can record high-resolution 7K video at up to 60 frames per second. This allows you to create smooth, detailed motion shots at a very high resolution. If you need even slower footage, the camera can capture 4K video at an impressive 120 frames per second. A major benefit of this high-speed 4K mode is that it uses the full width of the camera sensor. Many cameras crop into the image when shooting at high frame rates, which changes your focal length and limits your wide-angle view. This camera avoids that issue entirely. Your lenses will maintain the exact same field of view whether you are shooting standard video or ultra-smooth slow motion. This keeps your visual style consistent across different shooting modes. To make slow motion workflows faster, the camera includes a dedicated slow and fast mode. This feature handles all the speed processing directly inside the camera body. Instead of adjusting the speed of your clips manually on a computer, the camera plays back the file at normal speed instantly. You can review your slow motion footage on the camera screen immediately after shooting it. This mode can also create fast motion time-lapse videos directly in the camera. There is one important detail to remember when using this dedicated motion mode. The camera disables all audio recording when you switch into the slow and fast setting. If you need to capture ambient sound or dialogue while shooting at higher frame rates, you must use the standard video mode instead. Overall, these frame rate options provide a highly versatile toolset for capturing action, smooth B-roll, and cinematic motion transitions. Section 6. Photography capabilities. While this camera is built with incredible video features, it functions as a highly capable photography tool as well. It features a new 32.5 megapixel image sensor. This resolution level strikes an ideal balance for modern hybrid creators. It offers plenty of detail for large prints or heavy cropping without producing massive files that slow down your computer during editing. The sensor captures rich data with excellent noise control in low-light environments. The autofocus system provides full-frame coverage across the entire image area. It features advanced subject detection technology driven by intelligent algorithms. The camera can automatically identify and track human eyes, faces, bodies, animals, and fast-moving vehicles. Once the camera locks onto a subject, it stays glued to them even if they move quickly across the frame or temporarily look away from the lens. This ensures your photos stay perfectly sharp in dynamic environments. The color processing ensures that photographs retain natural skin tones and accurate color replication without requiring extensive editing. This makes the camera highly effective for fast-paced environments like weddings, events, and portrait sessions where you need consistent results. The high readout speed of the sensor also enables fast continuous shooting modes, allowing you to capture rapid action sequences with ease. To ensure you never miss a critical moment, the camera includes an automated pre-capture buffer mode. When you enable this feature and half-press the shutter button, the camera constantly buffers images in its internal memory. The moment you press the button down completely, the camera saves 20 shots from the split-second right before you click the shutter. This is a game-changing feature for wildlife and sports photographers who need to capture unpredictable, sudden movements.